As judge, I do not take the job of imposing incarceration lightly. How long? Under what terms? In this case, however, knowing the particulars of these murders, and I should mention, for the sake of the families, for the sake of the friends, I will not repeat these horrors out loud. I will not in any way give you any spotlight, including saying your name. Based upon the circumstances of each murder, and I can honestly say, and this is the first time I have said this in my courtroom, I can honestly say that you should never see the light of day. Evil. That is the one word that sums up this case. Evil. The sentence that I am about to impose will ensure that you will never be in a position to harm another individual, another woman, ever again. This sentence is the only comfort that I can give to the families and friends of your victims. Marquita-Mull, Cassandra-Watson. Thanks to the vigilance of all the law enforcement agencies involved, their names, Marquita-Mull and Cassandra-Watson, will not be forgotten. Here I will take a moment to honor those families and friends here today. Thank you for the love and support you have shown to Miss Mull and Miss Watson throughout these proceedings. Thank you for having the courage to be present, knowing the unspeakable acts that occurred, and to stand up for your loved ones. I wish you the comfort of peace, knowing that this sentence will ensure that the defendant spends the rest of his living days in a cell, and no other women will ever suffer at his hands. Preliminarily, I would note there's a mandatory surcharge of $300, a crime victim assistance fee of $25, and a $50 DNA data bank fee. With respect to count 1, for causing the death of Marquita-Mull, I am imposing a sentence of 20 years to life, to be followed by another sentence for the death of Miss Cassandra-Watson of 20 years to life. These sentences will run consecutively. That is the sentence of this court. You do have 30 days to appeal this sentence. Thank you, everyone.